Hello and welcome to my 7-day challenge. Hi, my name is Derek and I'm super excited that you're here. The goal for my course is to educate you, give you the templates needed so that way you can start making money, earn commissions, and ultimately help you succeed. I'm going to give you an email campaign, a completely done-for-you funnel, and I'm going to show you how to connect everything behind the scenes. I'm also going to give you a list of programs to sign up for, saving you tons of time. We are also going to get you a domain, and we're going to tweak your Facebook settings for maximum organic reach. Last but not least, we're going to talk a little bit about Facebook ads. I'm going to leave that for later in the course, but I promise you, you're going to love it. In all honesty, the first 2 days are super easy, and you might be able to get through those days relatively quickly. As a matter of fact, I would recommend doing just that because later in the course are some other steps that may take more time to complete. So for right now, just finish 1 day at a time. If you get stuck or if there's anything that requires a delay, just continue moving forward in the course, as you can always refer back to the course at a later date. So let's get started. Sign up for a System.io account. You'll need the free plan in order to import my funnel and email campaign. Once you're done with that, you can move on to day 2. See you in the next video.